Why water is essential for weight loss, and the mineral warning you need to hear. Trying to lose weight? You might be counting calories, carbs, or steps, but if you're not drinking enough water, you're missing a massive piece of the puzzle. Water is your body's fat-burning fuel. It helps transport nutrients, flush toxins, support your liver, and regulate your metabolism. Even mild dehydration can slow your fat burning by up to 3% and make you feel hungry when you're really just thirsty. Drinking more water can reduce appetite, improve digestion, and boost energy during workouts. But here's the part most people don't know. When you drink a lot of water, especially with a low-carb diet, you lose electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. These minerals are vital for hydration, nerve function, and preventing fatigue, headaches, or muscle cramps. So while increasing water intake is key, replenishing lost minerals is just as important, especially if you're sweating, fasting, or eating clean. Drink water, but don't forget the minerals. Balance is everything when it comes to sustainable weight loss. Stay hydrated, stay nourished, because food is medicine.